What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on the clip. CeeLo came to pick up his TRX450er today. Figured we'd throw him on the back of the track and let him run around, do some laps. Of course, you don't tell these guys what direction to go. They just hop on it and go whichever direction. Gotta give them a little correction. Happens. Ain't too bad running it backwards. The guy showed me the other day. There's a video on there. A couple of YFZs running the track backwards, clearing them. Whoops. Yeah, CeeLo's getting some time on the track, trying out the valve adjustment I did, carb adjustment. Said the quad hasn't run this good since he got it back from the original motor builder. Kind of happy about that. So sit back, relax, enjoy your popcorn, and enjoy this few-minute video. Guys running laps on the TRX450er, trying it out. Testing out the new track. Actually, new to them, not new to me. Sugar sand, 20-inch tires. Definitely a little bit of a slide around. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead, reach down, hit that subscribe button. If you like this kind of content, go ahead, hit the like button. Get these videos out to as many people as you can. If you really feel inclined, go ahead and share the video. Throw a comment in there, tell me what you think. We got another few minutes of the video left, so enjoy the rest of the video and enjoy the commentary and the guys standing on the hill talking and laughing. It's not really fast, but it'll definitely get you some calories.
Arm burner, isn't it? Oh yeah, I can ride that motherfucker. I like that track. I get used to it. I get faster and faster. That's what we're saying. You get more used to it. Yeah, I'm trying to see where everything is.
It's like the guys were running the quads backwards the other day, and they were doubling. They were hitting that one, landing out there. They were doubling the whoops and just doing all kinds of crazy stuff. It's like, man, you gotta
Oh. What? Play with that bitch every day.
Never close up. He's like, nope.